Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read the Yahoo Finance analysis. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of markets. Simply go ahead and select it. After selecting it, and find one of the stocks of the company that you are interested in. Then simply tap on it. Simply tap onto one of the stocks just like this. And after opening it, here you can find all of the data of the stock of the company. Now to see the finance analysis, scroll down and here you can find the option of analysis and financials. Simply tap on them just like this. Now here you can find the analysis of the stock of the company. Now tap on to view more right here, and here you can find all of the analysis of the data. And that's it. This is how you can read the Yahoo Finance analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.